Hi all, welcome again. Today we will see example 4. Is 17 a prime number? Let us check. Now let us apply the rules. Rule 1. Is it a natural number? Yes. 17 is a natural number. So, continue to the next rule. Rule 2. Is it 0 or 1? 17 is not 0 or 1. So, continue to the next rule. Rule 3. Is it 2? 17 is not 2. So, continue to the next rule. Rule 4. Is it an even natural number greater than 2? 17 is not an even natural number greater than 2. So, continue to the next rule. Rule 5. Step 1. List all prime numbers less than half of the given number. In this case, half of 17 is 8.5 and the prime numbers less than 8.5 are 2, 3, 5 and 7. Step 2. If the given number is not divisible exactly by any one of the above listed primes, then the given number is prime. Otherwise, it is composite. Observe here, when we divide 17 by 2 or 3 or 5 or 7, we get a non-zero remainder each time. So, 17 is not exactly divisible by any of the above listed primes. Got it? Therefore, as per the rule, 17 is a prime number. Thank you for watching. We will see more complex examples tomorrow. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.